In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search across multiple sheets in Google Sheets. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you're managing vast amounts of data spread across various sheets within a single document. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to find specific information within multiple sheets, this tutorial is designed to simplify that process for you. Let's dive in. The first step is to access your Google Sheet. In our example today, we'll be working with the expense tracker document. Go ahead and open it up. Once you have the document in front of you, the next thing you'll do is a keyboard shortcut that some might find invaluable. Press Ctrl+H. This shortcut opens the Find and Replace window, which is essential for searching across different sheets within your document. Now, in the Find field of the Find and Replace window, you'll want to type in the specific term you're searching for. For demonstration purposes, let's say you're looking for any mention of highlight across your sheets. Type highlight into that field. Once you have entered your search term, you'll see some options appear. One of them, crucially, is the ability to search across multiple sheets. Before proceeding, ensure that you select this option because it will extend your search beyond just the current sheet you are working on. It will cover all the sheets within your document. This feature significantly enhances your ability to track down the data you need by encompassing your entire document. After you've done this, you'll notice that your search results are highlighted. These results will direct you to the precise locations of your search term across all your sheets. In essence, each instance of the word highlight will be spotlighted, making it straightforward for you to review or modify the content as needed. When you're ready, click on each occurrence to navigate directly to their specific locations in your sheets. Once you've reviewed the instances and are satisfied with your findings, you simply click on Done. This will close the Find and Replace window and take you back to your document, now equipped with the knowledge of where and how your search term is used throughout your sheets. Remember that this method is highly effective for easily combing through vast spreadsheets when exact details are needed across diverse datasets. It's a powerful way to manage your information and ensures that you never miss a critical detail again. Keep this technique in mind whenever you're faced with large, complex sheets and need to find specific content quickly. So that's it. That's how you search across multiple sheets in Google Sheets, empowering you to work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.